Hi, welcome to a Catia 5 video tutorial. I want to do the second part of the F1 side box exercise. Now the upper part. And I used sweeps and sweeps. So let's have fun with Catia 5. First I will need a line, so go for sketches, define a work object, and I need a sketch on the XY plane. So go for a positioned one over here, and I want to swap and reverse H. Yeah, let's hide those. A line which could start here and go over there. It's too long by intention, and I will adjust it afterwards. Okay, now let's see, I've hidden two sketches. Let's take a look if I can use one. And that's the last one. I need it, so that's not necessary the sketch I can use. I will go for another sketch on the YZ plane, and again I want to adjust my yellow axis system even if I hide it afterwards. So I need a spline, and this could start here, go like this, and maybe like that, just for example, maybe up to this position. Okay, now I want to use a combine curve, so go for combined. I want to combine that line with that sketch here and confirm. Nice. Now I could hide those, but I want to go first for a sweep, a circular sweep. So let's switch over here and go for a sweep, a circular one with center and radius. I could go for two angles, but I will go for center and radius. So the center curve should be this one, the curve, the combined curve, and the radius might be, let's see, 20 might be not enough, but let's take a look. Spine is the same with the combined curve, just confirm and take a look. Yeah, that's a little bit too small. So go here and change the radius to, let's say, 50. Yeah, that's better. I need only half of this one, therefore I will need a plane. And that plane should be one defined by planar curve, so go for first for the planes. And then I want to have a plane defined through a planar curve, and this curve, confirm, then split this sweep with that plane and keep this side, and okay. Next I want to use another sweep, but I need a tangency surface first, and I will do that. I could try it with that plane, or I could try it with an extrude. Let's try it with that plane. So let's go for the sweep. This will be a circular one, and with limit curve and tangency surface. The limit curve would be the edge of that splitted surface here. Okay. The tangency surface would be that plane. and then I want to have a radius maybe 150 and control it with a law, but first write with 150, and the angle would be 45 degrees. Let's take a look which options we get, make a preview. So (45° is not enough, so go for 90 degrees. Make a preview. Okay, that's more like it, but I need another option. I need it the other way around, so that tangency surface doesn't quite work. It should be tangent the other way around, but I could try to go for -90 degrees. Make a preview. That's more like it, and then go to next solution. That's the solution I want, but I want it to get smaller, so let's go for a law, make it linear S-type. You can go for S-type as well, and start value, if it goes in that direction, 150, and then let's say 20, and let's see how this works. Preview. So that's the other way around. Go to law and inverse the law. Preview. That's more like it. Let's take a look. And I may have to change the curves a little bit, because that's, I could go for 10, of course. Go to law, make it 10, close and preview and make OK. Let's take a look. Maybe change the view style to with edges. So there's, yeah, it's a distance everywhere. That's okay, sort of. I can change it afterwards anyway. Now I want to do almost the same sweep with that edge, so hopefully that's not there, so change it to the correct set, and that would be this one, and confirm. Now this should be the active one. Go for the same sweep. Yes, limit curve would be this edge, and the surface would be that surface. And again, I want to use a law. Let's just check if the angle is okay. Make a preview. Yeah, that's okay. Looks decent. Yeah, I could change, of course, the law. Go for S-type and or linear, whatever you want. I will go for S-type again, and let's try if this time this is correct. 20 to, let's say, 100. Make close, make a preview. So this time's the other way around. So I have to invert, or you just could go to the sweep and change the values here. So you can change this one to 100 and that one to, let's say, 20. Let's take a look. Yeah, there will be some sort of edge. That's okay. Maybe a very small one, but it should work. So I want this to be controlled with a law as well, and that's the sweep, that sweep, those two sweeps should be up there because they're sweeps. So go to that geometrical set, and I want to change, I think it's that sweep right here, or this one, radius 50, that one, yeah. And I want this to be controlled with a law, and let's change it to 60, and let's let this be controlled by a law, let's say S-type, and it should go from 60 to 20 perhaps. Let's see if this one will work. So it's again the other way around. Make this value 60 and the other value here 20. Yeah. So that one seems to be a little bit short, so we'll change the values here. So that's the second one and the first one. The first one goes from 150 to, let's go to 20. This moves this a little bit down, and maybe this one from 1 to 30, because I want to split here as well, and I could move this a little bit up by the curve or by the radius. Let's change this one to 130. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Now I want to trim or split. So maybe first split those which are not combined, so I could combine them with a join. So this one, and that one, those three could be joined. Now I can split. Join is here, that's okay. The sweeps are there, yeah, that's okay. Now go for a split. I want to split this one with that plane. Okay. And I want to split once more this one with this plane. Yeah. And I want to split that surface as well. That would be the lower part. So go for another split this one with that plane as well. And that's not joined, so maybe join them first before splitting them. Okay, make a join, the fill, the blend, that blend. Okay, and now split it, that join with that plane, same plane as before. Yeah, of course you could split it with that plane as well, and that might be, no, it's okay. Depends what you want to achieve. Yeah, you could split with that plane, and the same for the upper part. Split, replace it with this plane, whatever you want. Now trim those two. So go for a trim, and I want to trim not pieces but standard, this one with that one, and okay. But that trim is now the complete part, so let's make a new geometrical set. Complete surface as, and move that trim here. Okay, I could add some blends. Of course you can change this, all of this. And I want to have a blend here, possibly with a variable radius. So these two should be joined. That was that join here. Let's take a look with this selection tool. That join, I want to see only that join, current, hide other elements. Yeah. So switch and make it a blend with variable radius here. I want to use that edge right here and change the values of the radius. This one to, let's say, 10, and the upper one, this one maybe to 15. Let's see. Yeah, looks okay. And you can add a blend here as well. But in this case I don't want to add that blend. So next I want to mirror that, the complete body. So go here, define a work object and make a symmetry. This complete surface should be symmetric to that plane right here, the YZ plane. And okay. And now I can add one blend from this edge to that surface to this edge and that surface, and confirm. Very nice. Okay, now let's add another plane. So I want to have a plane with a distance to this one, the other way around, and this might be 100. You can change it anytime. And I need a sketch on that plane right there, and the position one, yes. And why is this not orange? Yeah, no, it's orange. Okay. And I have to swap or reverse H. Yes. Now hide those elements as usual. This one as well. And that too. So swap, yeah, it's all there. And I need an elongated hole like this, and this should be removed. That might be 70. This might be 350, and it should be symmetric. So this point here and that point there should be symmetric to that axis, the Z axis. This one. And this point should be on that one. Coincident. Take care, that's not a real point, it's a B-rep element, but in this case I do it quick and dirty. Okay, and then make an output. I could put them all out. I might not need it. Okay, let's do a blend. That should all happen. Let's see where did my plane go? The plane, is this plane 8? Yes, that's okay, but the sketch should be here. Now let's go for the complete surfaces. Okay. Now let's do a blend from this edge here, that surface to this edge. Okay. And another blend from this edge, that surface to this. Okay. And of course now I can do a fill here, and I need a line for a fill there. So let's go for a line. I will do this from this point here to that point. That's really quick and dirty. Here. Okay. Now I can do a fill here and a fill there. So that line should be, of course, in the curves set. Okay. Then go back to the complete surfaces. You could put this all together in a new geometric set if you want. Let's go for a fill. This edge, this one, and that one. Okay. And another fill. This one, that one, and this one. Okay. Same quick and dirty move. Here, another line. Point to point, make sure that's locked. From this point to that point, that's very quick and very dirty. You should define a point on that edge right there. Okay, and another one, maybe, just maybe, from this one to that one. Okay, now do some fills. Fill it up here. This edge, okay, and another fill here. Now I missed that edge, and this one. Okay. It would be better to do it with an extrude and then trim or split it. But as I said, it's quick and dirty. Now I could hide or move those two lines to the curve set, and I should be done for this exercise. Now let's hide. That's the edge fillet, it's complete fillet. So seems, yeah, it's okay. Hide maybe the sketches and the planes and the curves. Now join all those together. Go for a join. I want to join this, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, and don't forget the small one down below here, this one, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook CAD fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions on Facebook as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one in this series, and that will be probably Siemens NX. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.